Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10. Exercise 3.4 question number second part second. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. Elimination method is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.4 question number 2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. By elimination method. Find solution by elimination method. Clear? Question second part second. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Clear? 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? It means you make two equations. First equation according to first situation and second equation according to second situation and solve them by elimination method and find the value of x and y. It means the value, the age of Nuri, present age of Nuri and present age of Sonu. Clear? It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Solution by elimination method. Let present age of Nuri equal to x and Sonu equal to y. Present age of Nuri equal to x and Sonu equal to y. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now according to first situation. Now according to question. Now according to question. 5 years later, 5 years ago, Nuri equal to x minus 5 and Sonu equal to y minus 5 years ago, Nuri x minus 5, Sonu y minus 5. Clear? Then x minus 5 equal to, here 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 3 multiply y minus 5, or here you can multiply 3 and y, 3 and minus 5. It becomes x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15. Here y multiply 3, 3y, 3 multiply minus 5, minus 15. Or here you can write 3y on left side of equal and minus 15 left side of equal. It becomes x minus 5 minus 3y plus 15 equal to 0. Here plus 3y when you write on left side of equal, then it becomes minus 3y. Here minus 15 when you write on left side, then it becomes plus 15. Now you can write it x minus 3y, here plus 15, here minus 5, become plus 10. Plus 10 equal to 0. Equation first. It is equation first. Equation first is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is equation first. And here according to second situation, 10 years later, Nuri equal to x plus 10 and Sonu equal to y plus 10. Clear? Then x plus 10 equal to, here according to second situation, 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice. 2 multiply y plus 10, or you can write it here, you can multiply 2 and y, 2 and 10. It becomes x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. 2y plus 20. Or here 2y, you can write it on left side of equal, and here 20 you can write on left side of equal. It becomes x plus 10 minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. Or x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Equation second. It is equation second. Here x minus 2y here plus 10 here minus 20, it become minus 10. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Here 1x, here 1x. So you multiply by 1 in equation first, 1 in equation second. Multiply. Now multiply by 1 in equation first and in equation second. Clear? It become then x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Equation third. It is equation third. And x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Equation 4. You find equation third and equation 4. Now you subtract equation third from equation 4. Subtract equation third from equation 4. Subtract equation third from equation 4. Clear? Equation 4 is x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Equation third is x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. It is equation third. Draw a line and change its sign. Here minus, here plus, here minus. Clear? Here plus, so you write minus. Here minus, so you write plus. Here plus, so you write minus. You can cut it. Plus x minus x. Cut it. Clear? Here minus 2y, here plus 3y. You subtract it, it become y. Here minus 10, here minus 10. It become minus 20 equal to 0. You can write minus 20 on right side of equal. It become y equal to 20. You find y equal to 20. Clear? Now put y equal to 20 in equation third or 4. You can put it in equation third or equation 4. Clear? In equation third. Clear? Put y equal to 20 in equation third. Equation third is x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. It is equation third. X minus 3 multiply 20 plus 10 equal to 0. Clear? Here y equal to 20. Clear? It become x minus 23 is 60 plus 10 equal to 0. X minus, here you subtract it, minus 60 plus 10 become 50. Minus 50 equal to 0. Write minus 50 on right side of equal. It become x equal to 50. You find x equal to 50, y equal to 20. Hence, present age of Nuri. Age of Nuri equal to x equal to 50. X equal to 50. Clear? Present age of Sonu equal to y equal to 20. You solve your question very easily by elimination method and you find the value of x and the value of y. Value of x equal to 50, value of y equal to 20. Hence the present age of Nuri means x equal to 50 years and present age of Sonu equal to y equal to 20 years. Clear? In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution and by the help of elimination methods. Clear? Present age of Nuri, present age of Sonu. No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.